So you've got your new unique phone that literally hasn't been heard by anyone around you, and you want to protect your beauty. But heck, no one seems to have a screen protector that fits. So you decide to just go ahead and install a third-party phone screen protector. Will that decision, my friends, would have been bad, because there are still chances that your phone is not safe. And that's exactly what happened to me. A few months ago, I reviewed my Wally Fox Swift, which was quite a nice phone in my opinion, and it was also my daily driver. But that has changed recently because I didn't install a proper screen protector. And this is what happened. Yes, my friends, the entire screen of my phone got shattered on just one drop. Looking up a little closer, we see that the origin of this is in the bottom left, and that's the part where my phone wasn't covered. But luckily the glass is still stuck on the phone, which is both good and bad. Good in a sense that the screen is still usable, and bad because the glass starts to chip off, but more on that in a minute. Anyways, let's jump to the screen protector part. Just around 3 days before this accident took place, I had installed the screen protector on my phone. And that's why, while I was picking up my phone after the drop, I was confident that my phone was safe due to the protector. But when I picked it up, I was, disappointed. One surprising thing for me was that the phone's screen still worked completely fine. It was responding properly and it still works flawlessly. So, moral of the story. Don't drop your phone. And also get yourself a screen protector that protects the entire front glass.